Welcome! In this video, I'll show you one of the best productivity tools for developers, students, researchers, and AI enthusiasts, Obsidian. Obsidian is much more than a note-taking app. It's a personal knowledge management system where all your notes are stored as simple Markdown files on your own computer. Unlike many cloud-based note apps, your data belongs to you. I use Obsidian to organize AI concepts, GitHub repositories, research papers, project documentation, YouTube ideas, and much more. Instead of scattered information across different apps, everything is connected in one place. Think of it as building your own second brain. Getting started with Obsidian is very easy. Simply visit the official Obsidian website and download the version for your operating system. It's available for Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Once the download is complete, install it just like any other application. After launching Obsidian for the first time, you'll see options to create a new vault or open an existing one. That's all it takes to get started. Now let's create our first vault. A vault is simply a folder where Obsidian stores all your notes and files. Click Create New Vault, give it a name like AI Second Brain, choose a location on your computer, and click Create. Next, let's organize our vault by creating a few folders. For example, AI Models, LLM Internals, AI Agents, Research Papers, GitHub Repositories, Projects, Templates, and Daily Notes. Having a simple folder structure keeps your notes organized and makes it easier to find information as your knowledge base grows. Don't worry if it's not perfect. You can always reorganize it later. Every note in Obsidian is written using Markdown. Markdown is a simple formatting language that lets you create headings, bold text, bullet lists, code blocks, tables, and much more using plain text. The best part is that Markdown files are lightweight, portable, and supported by many applications. Once you learn a few basic symbols, creating well-structured notes becomes incredibly fast. One of Obsidian's most powerful features is note linking. Instead of keeping notes isolated, you can connect related concepts using double square brackets. For example, if I have a note called Transformer and another called Attention, I can simply type double square brackets around the word Attention, and Obsidian creates a link between the two notes. Over time, these connections create a network of knowledge that makes learning much easier. Graph View gives you a visual map of your knowledge. Every note appears as a dot, and every link between notes becomes a connection. As you create more notes and connect them together, you begin to see clusters of related topics. It's a great way to understand how your knowledge is organized and discover relationships between concepts that you might otherwise miss. Sometimes diagrams explain ideas better than paragraphs. Canvas provides an infinite workspace where you can arrange notes, images, PDFs, and drawings visually. I use Canvas to understand AI architectures, design software systems, plan projects, and create learning roadmaps. Instead of reading through long notes, I can see the entire concept visually in one place. Templates help you save time by providing a predefined structure for your notes. For example, every time I read a research paper, I use the same template containing sections like title, summary, key ideas, and my notes. Instead of writing these headings repeatedly, I simply insert the template and start filling in the information. This keeps all my notes clean and consistent. Dataview is one of the most useful community plugins in Obsidian. It turns your notes into a searchable database. For example, if all your AI notes have the tag LLM, Dataview can automatically generate a list of every note with that tag. As your vault grows to hundreds or even thousands of notes, Dataview helps you organize and retrieve information automatically without maintaining manual lists. Excalidraw is like having a digital whiteboard inside Obsidian. You can draw flowcharts, system architectures, mind maps, and technical diagrams while keeping them connected to your notes. Whenever I'm learning something complex, like how an LLM works or how an AI agent communicates with tools, I use Excalidraw to visualize the entire process. It makes understanding difficult topics much easier. Obsidian also supports AI through community plugins. You can connect cloud models like OpenAI, Claude, and Gemini, or use local models running with Ollama. I use AI to summarize research papers, explain complex concepts, improve my notes, generate project ideas, and even create LinkedIn posts and YouTube scripts. Combining AI with a well-organized knowledge base makes learning much faster. Daily notes give you a dedicated page for each day. Every morning, I write down my goals and learning plan. Throughout the day, I add important ideas, project updates, and useful resources. At the end of the day, I review what I learned and plan what I'll study tomorrow. Over time, daily notes become a complete journal of your learning journey. One of Obsidian's most powerful features is note linking. Instead of keeping notes isolated, you can connect related concepts using double square brackets. For example, if I have a note called transformer and another called attention, I can simply type double square brackets around the word attention, and Obsidian creates a link between the two notes. Over time, these connections create a network of knowledge that makes learning much easier. And that's a quick introduction to Obsidian and the features that make it such a powerful tool for learning and knowledge management. Whether you're a developer, AI engineer, student, or content creator, Obsidian can help you organize your ideas, connect information, and build a personal second brain that grows over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use Obsidian. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.